180 crores big scandal in the Karnataka. The SC fund looted Congress government, Siddaramaiah government. That's why we are going for the protest.
Inside and outside both you will stage the protest, sir?
Yeah, 100% in both Vidhana Sabha and Vidhana Parishad.
Sir, the case at proposal to increase the fares at this point of time. Bus ticket fares, sir. Bus tickets prices are proposal has been
This government will hike everything. That is the Congress government because though no money, pauper government.
Do you think it's a bank corrupt because it's a bank corrupt government?
100% pauper government, bank corrupt will come immediately soon.
But people are suffering at this point of time, sir. Increasing the price of the bus ticket fares.
It is already petrol, diesel hike, milk hike, stamp duty hike, liquor hike. So everything hike only. That's why they are hiking transport ticket also.
Does it affect the people, sir? Because will it not
Naturally, because Congress people don't care about the normal people, poor people. They are only worry about the loot the Karnataka. That is the ATM for Delhi Congress. Karnataka is the main ATM.
ये लूट लिया है ना, पूरा पैसा लूट लिया है। मार्ची वाल्मीकि डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन का 187 करोड़ रुपए पर्ची खाता में जमा करके लूट लिया है। कांग्रेस उसको चुनाव में उपयोग किया है। उसको पार्टी को जिताने के लिए अपना दलितों को पैसा, अपना पैसा, केवल बಳ್ಳारी नहीं, बಳ್ಳारी से लेकर तेलंगाना, उत्तर प्रदेश तक भेजा है, दलितों को पैसा भेजा है, लूट लिया है। हम चुप बैठ सकता है क्या? हम उसके खिलाफ संघर्ष करना, दलितों को न्याय देना हमारा काम है। हम संघर्ष करेंगे।
ये एक तरफ ये इशू उठा रहे हैं, दूसरी तरफ आज गवर्नमेंट ने KSRTC ने प्रपोजल दिया है टिकट प्राइस बढ़ाने के लिए। आप किस तरह देखते हैं?
बचाए क्या है, दूध को महंगाई कर दिया, पेट्रोल डीजल को महंगाई कर दिया है, रजिस्ट्रेशन को दाम बढ़ा है, सबको स्टाम्प ड्यूटी को बढ़ा है। सबको बढ़ाने के बाद क्या बचा है? बचाए केवल हवा के ऊपर टैक्स लगाया, तो वो सिद्धरामैया हर चीज के ऊपर टैक्स लगा दिया, ऐसा उनका नाम भी गिनीज रिकॉर्ड में आता है।
बीजेपी किस तरह लेगी सर ये सारे इशू को? सेशन में आप मूडा भी उठाने वाले हो, मूडा के इशू
बहुत है, पूरा लोग लूटने का काम में लगा है। हम अपोजिशन पार्टी में होने के नाते हम उसको खिलाफ संघर्ष करना, दलितों को न्याय देना अपना काम है, हम करेंगे।
The BJP is protesting on the Valmiki scam, on the Muda scam as well, and they're going to be taking these two issues predominantly in this session.
See, we have called session. They have every opportunity to discuss on the floor of the house. Instead of that, if they are making a walk from LH to Vidhan Sauda or this type of protesting thing, that will not really honor the forums that are created. Assembly and council is on. They can take the opportunity to discuss on the floor of the house.
So the chairman of KSRTC and NWRTC, they've stated that the transport department is running under severe losses and a hike in bus fare is imminent for sure to keep the department alive.
You kindly ask this to a transport minister. Myself and transport minister have not met, nor this is discussed in the cabinet. I am not aware.
Already there is a SIT that has been formed. Let them do their inquiry. IT, ED, CBI, everybody is in work, right? Let them come out with a report. What are they so worried about? And recently it has also come to light that the previous BJP minister is the one who has instigated all this. Let all the investigation, whatever the matter is, let it come to light first. See, very clearly the CM and the minister have told that the government is not there. Officials have mishandled these accounts and they are cooperating with the investigation. What is the problem of the BJP? I don't understand. We have formed a single bench judge for the Muda issue as well. So whatever concerns the BJP has, let them raise it in the assembly with documents. If you are going to cry horse in public, what is it? What difference does it matter? Sorry? Let them demand CVM's resignation. Let them put the documents on the floor of the house and discuss it. Who's saying no? Who's saying no? We were not ready to discuss it.